Hello guys. Finally, I set up both ways to follow each other. Basically, is my leader is Limon Lo Fanta, and Lemony Fanta is following my other ways, which is this one. So it's awesome. Sometimes they quit or they leave because I say they are not really strong because they have absolute terrible gear. I got like chest armor Tal Et, and I got Ralort Tal, which is the rumored for the shield, and chest armor 2 socket. I haven't made it yet. Like sometimes they leave, they create um, to avoid uh, basically getting banned, or you know to avoid basically the places you can actually, if you go scroll up. I use them, by the way. If you ask them what is this, Notepad plus plus, this is what I use. It's really good. So maybe confusing them first time you use them, but it's not really. It's very easy to use, and I do send sometimes like because I got a cold build, cold sorcerer. Two both wizards are cold, as you can see, blizzard and using glacial spike, both of them. So they are clearing everything. Whatever they pick, it will be come up into console, or the console wherever you pick, it will be here. Because they are very low levels and they clear on a nightmare. Sometimes they die, but whatever, you know. If you want to send areas like pit, you know, um, if you want to send pit, basically to clear pits, all you have to do click this and set it to true, because you can get pits really good items as well. True, the true makes to but clear that area basically. False or false makes not to clear. So I'm making this one as the true, and this goes there. I save it, and then I'll do the same with this. Go right here and find the pit and click this true and make it this true. There you go. That's all you need to do basically. And entire process basically very hard. Well, if you can't set it up, just let me know in the comment and I'll help you. So basically this is what you need to do basically. If you want your bot go areas, like maybe go, I don't know, you can even make a cow runs and doesn't kill the cow king, as long as you haven't killed it before. It does do Smith for all, I haven't done those, but you can even go kill only Rakinashu, Griswold as well on the Tristram. You can do that. You can even do like a clear den. You can send it because the den is not cold immune. Well, mostly in Helmut you can get like a cold immune. You can even send the Radment, Radament, whatever it's called. Sorry the pronouncing if I'm saying the wrong. Yeah, you can even send the bosses as well, like Summoner. You can send it, and even you can send it Duriel, which is he drops like sometimes really good items, but I'm not sending him. I'm sending it Mephisto. It takes some time. Like you have to, otherwise it's like it's if you quit game, you're doing a two game and then quitting it. It's not good really. You want the bot staying in the game a while, because then you don't want the leaving back and then creating straight game. So it's so annoying that, which is you don't want that. So they both goes the area. So once you saved, where they going basically, right? I set the both of them to go in the same area, which is the pit, and as you can see right here, both pit. right here. And if you go back to Act 1, which is the Act 1 right here, you don't want to edit this just to these columns, you know, where you says true, false, you know. This is the another, you know, these two sorcerers has to be in the same area. They have to go, you know. So the way you do it, basically make it the both follower even will go there too. So they are clearing at the moment cow sanctuary, as you can see, and they constantly going. But sometimes it doesn't have, as you can see, I need the mana pots on this, mana pots on that. I have on the one of the sorcerers, I think Immortal King belt. I am lucky I got it. Happy to see people is leveling as well, which is like really good. Happy to help others as well. And whatever I don't need, I just give to people. And feel the comment. Feel free to comment if you need any item for wizard, sorcerer, whatever, you know. Just let me know if you need the gear, and if I have on my moves, I'll just trade with you freely, no cost anything. Um, I like sharing, like helping anywhere. So sometimes does quit but in here when is the Diablo come out. So if you doing this what I'm doing, sometimes you drink the potions manually so it doesn't die, you know. That's all it is. This one doesn't even enough the mana, I don't know why, but it happens, you know. Now they this one is only ball helper, as you can see, because I edit that one as well. And the main one is just going everywhere wherever they going, you know. Oh, is it? Oh, did drop the flawless skull on the floor? I don't know why it does that. I have no idea. I haven't figured out yet why they drop it. It should pick up, you know. Let me go into the kolbot master pickup and see why they. Probably I am making it, but it's not picking up. That's what it is. So that's where I pick. Oh, it does. Should keep it, but I don't know why dropping it. I have no idea. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pick this as well. Whoops. And that should be fine. To both get this, as you can see, I picked all. Right here, flowers, emerald, max, blah blah blah. You know, as soon as you do this, basically, these all, right? You have to save it every time you whatever you do, and then you have to stop bot. I can't do it, but after the bail, I will do it. As you can see, some of the mobs are, I believe, is a cold immune. Yeah, cold immune. These are, and sometimes it's very hard to clear them. You know, it's annoying, and people keep pulling the mobs, which is that's annoying as well. They do it deliberately so last run longer. They think, but it's they helping it. The more mob you pull, the more you kill and get experience, right? So I'm happy about it. So it's awesome, and we'll we'll show you guys after this run. See what clears, what not. So far as they are alright. I've been die the most, you know. Mostly I die a lot. As you can see, I don't have a potion. People must be picking up potions. I have no clue. There's no mana potions, you see. There's nothing here, and greater. And sometimes it does help. Where is super mana potion, super healing? What you can do basically, this, and it will only take the greater ones. Like I said, do this. It should be. Wait a minute. What you can do. can copy this just like that, right? Copy from there to right here, one enter, paste. Now what you want to do, instead of greater mana potion, right, just delete the mana and put healing. That's all. Then it will remove the supers and then picks only greater ones. I know it sounds bad, but sometimes I do not have everybody pick up the, you know, if you know what I mean. Now, so it's clearing, as you can see. The make sure you do this correctly. Once you done correctly, it's okay. The reason it doesn't pick up, so that means I have to stop the bot or pause it to pick up. That's how it works. Yeah, so you have to pause it. So I modified the master rib. As you can see, it has to show on the console. Excuse me. It has to show in the here. So that's what it is. And it will show eventually when you pause or restart the completely this. All you have to do basically stop bot and start it. You can pause it and start it that way as well. You know, it picks whatever you know select it. It will meant to pick. It will definitely pick. And if it doesn't need, it just drops and then people pick up and sell it. That's good. So they need the gold. I only found the 2 Tarasha helms so far. I haven't found anything else. I don't know, but you know, it just goes to places and then puts things. You're wondering why it doesn't opens, because you want the fast shopping, right? Otherwise it will be very slow. Where is the fast shopping? I'll show you guys that one as well, so you know what is fast shopping should be somewhere over here. Let me go into there you go, somewhere right here I guess. No, where was it? There. If I fells this, right, and this is on 434, make sure you save it. Go back to same one, all the way down, 400 and somewhat, right? There is somewhere right here. Oh, what was this one? 434. There, somewhere here, right here. That's what you need to felse it, but it does help. You know, if you write something wrong, well, what basically does that? Oh man, it mess up, really mess up. It's annoying to mess up. You don't want to mess up, you know. So Mephisto can't go because, as you can see, it doesn't have the mana potions, which is so annoying. If you want to pause it, press home key and pause and go, you know. And you can play with the manual if you want to. Just, I don't know why it doesn't go on the teleport, but yeah, that's weird. There you go. Wherever picks, sells, and you want to see the console back again, you just press home and then that's it. You know. So that's why I didn't pick up, but it's okay. And you can see pause and resuming, you know, right here. There you go. I was going to the portal. It does, I don't know why it does, but it does still. It checks the portal and see if it's the wizard on entrance, and then goes back. Once the TP open, it straight goes, and wherever the other wizards is, teleports there basically. They are not really strong. I haven't got good rune words like Merc weapon. They are really absolute terrible. So it says skipping storm castle. I don't know why it's doing that. Whatever. You can just basically adjust it whatever you need to do. You know. I hope this will help you guys. Thanks for watching. I see you next time. Bye. What? That's weird.